My name is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management, and I am in McCall, Idaho. This is the Broken Ridge Ranch home. So there's two ways to enter, and there's actually, if you're handicap accessible, you've got an entryway that you can get to the very bottom floor. But the main entrance to the home is right up this direction. We've got the little playground set for the kids, fire pit. Off in the distance over there, you've got the volleyball court. And we got the horseshoe pit with the bocce ball as well. So we've got all a full complement of things to do. One of the nice things about Broken Ridge Ranch happens to be that it can sleep 36 people comfortably. So as we enter, so you walk into kitchen, dining room, living room, get-together spot. Now, as you kind of travel through the house here, you can get a good idea of the surroundings. So great area, great open space, fantastic opportunity to kind of get together, do your cooking and cleaning. So fantastic shower in here. This is also handicap accessible. So we do have it where this particular room has it where if there's someone that has a wheelchair, we do have the hardware to accommodate their needs. So as we go through, and if you got laundry that you would like to have done, we've got available to you washer and dryer right here, as well as another refrigerator. So for large groups, it's always been very convenient and handy having two refrigerators. Obviously a lot of food to bring to get together, and a lot of mouths to feed. So now this is actually a 3-story house, has an elevator in it. And for those that do require a handicap accessible, this actually right in here is where the elevator is. So that's one of the access points. So this is the master bedroom. It's got a king-size bed in it. And then you've got a very nice walk-in shower. So if you feel like taking a nice soak, that's accessible and available. Just a very nice, convenient layout in this home. Just has a really nice, good flow. So we have a twin with the trundle underneath, and then we have a queen with a twin over with the trundle underneath as well. And then as we walk through here, this is kind of like a little kids' play area. So they've got the places that they can sit, and they've got television, they can hang out, they got a little couch, little fun room. Now up this direction actually is going towards a little loft area. So this is another little spot that we have for the kids to have fun, hang out. Now we've got 2 beds up here, twins that are actually suspended on ropes. Real neat, real fun for the kids to actually hang out up here. So two more twins. Now back underneath here, not exactly sure how well this is going to turn out, but a little playroom for the kids to get down and have fun as well. So we always think of kids in mind. I mean, that's the whole idea of when you're on vacation. If the kids are happy, everyone's happy. If the kids are miserable, you're going to be miserable. So now as we continue going up, this is what we call the Honeymoon Suite. So this is up top. Real quaint, real fun, cute. So this is also elevator accessible. So I'm not sure if this is going to be here or not, but you'd have to push the button And eventually the elevator will show up at the top here. I can hear it coming. So we have a shower up top here. Okay. So then as we head down, we're going to go downstairs. Now downstairs happens to be one of the unique features of this home. It's got a lot of things to do, and that's one of the problems where people go on vacation. It's like, well, what are we going to do? We're going to get there. And the nice thing about Broken Ridge is that we've certainly thought about all those things. And as you will see here in just one moment, everything I'm referring to. And so you've got a nice TV setup. You've got a little bit of fun foosball that's here that you can play with your friends, your family. And we also then have full size. We've got a pool table, large-sized foosball table, as well as air hockey. If you want to hang out and just watch your friends and buddies and parents play, you can hang out right there. Now here we have a queen with a pull-out underneath. And then same here, we got a queen with a twin on top with a pull-out. Another bedroom down this direction, or a queen with a twin on top, as well as another queen. So you got your chest of drawers, television, washer and dryer down here as well. And then here was that entryway that we were talking about earlier when we first started. And this just basically leads out. So you got an easy access ramp for people that do have a wheelchair. So this is the bathroom that's down here. So you got a full bathtub, shower. And then we have two more bedrooms down this direction. So as we slide over this way, so we have a king size bedroom down here, or a king size bedroom with a king size. I think that's probably more appropriate to say it that way. Nice log furniture. And then in here we have another queen with a twin on top with the trundle underneath. And then same thing yet again in this room. You got the queen with the trundle and then the twin on top. For privacy, we have the sliding barn door. So there's the sliding barn door. So that keeps that closed now. So you get the general idea. So this is Broken Ridge Ranch. Comfortably sleeps 36 people. Like I was saying, we have the volleyball court outside, the bocce ball, the horseshoe pit. We have a hot tub. So pretty well everything that you need to have fun, good time, family reunions, weddings. We got the space that's outside. Anything that you're looking for, I think this is one of those facilities that can really accommodate a larger group. And if you've got any questions, you can reach out to us. You can call us, or you can book online at DoneRightManagement.com. And that's a Broken Ridge Ranch home. And also you can call us at 208-634-0030. Cheers.